Hi everyone! Today is all about making delicious cinnamon rolls, and we're using, you guessed it, my signature silken tofu dough. I've already made the dough to save us some time, but you can find the full master dough tutorial linked in the description below if you need it. This entire series is based on my new ebook where I share this one dough that makes everything from bagels to cinnamon rolls, breadsticks, and so much more. So let's jump into this recipe. To make these cinnamon rolls, you're going to need one batch of the Master Silken Tofu dough, 1/2 of a cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons cinnamon, and 3 tablespoons of softened vegan butter. Simply roll the dough into a large rectangle, then combine the brown sugar, cinnamon, and vegan butter together and sprinkle that all over the dough. Roll up into a tightly rolled log and then slice it into about 9 to 12 rolls. Then you're going to place these rolls into a greased baking pan. You're going to let them rise for another 30 to 45 minutes. You want them to be nice and fluffy before you put them into the oven. Then you're going to go ahead and bake these rolls at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 22 to 25 minutes, or until the internal temperature of the cinnamon rolls reaches 190 to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. And I check the temperature just using a basic thermometer. And if you want them extra sweet, I poured a really delicious glaze on top. It was just a combination of sifted powdered sugar mixed with a little bit of soy milk and about a tablespoon of vanilla because my family really loves vanilla extract. And I also added a little almond extract to the icing as well. But my family really loved these cinnamon rolls. They asked me to make them again, and I did so, and they were even better the next day. And that's how you make perfect vegan cinnamon rolls using silken tofu. But don't stop here. This dough is truly a choose your own adventure base. I use it for everything from bagels to pretzels. And if you want all of my 18 or more favorite vegan bread variations in one printable place, check out my ebook in the description below. Happy baking, and I can't wait to see you in the next one.